Good morning, dear students. This is Srutima, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Monday, so today again welcome to our e-learning classes. Today we will start a new topic, that is your fourth lesson. Sixth lesson. Sorry, that is The 100 Dresses by Ilna Estes, and she is an American writer, and all the details about her will be given in the video. The 100 Dresses. So while we are today, I will introduce you with the characters and about the main theme, the subject matter of this topic. The 100 Dresses, that 100 Dresses of whom? What is there in this story, that 100 Dresses? This is a story about a Polish girl named Wanda Petronsky, that she was migrated from Poland to America, and she was just joining school over there, and she was from a poor family, and she had an uncommon name. And naturally, that in her class, that she did not have any friend, and always she used to remain silent. And in her class, that there was nobody who used to who was bothered about her, or who just made friendship with her. This is Wanda Petronsky, and she was having only one dress, that was a light blue dress she used to wear, and that dress was not fit properly to her body. And though it was clean, it was a faded blue dress, and though it was clean, but it was never ironed properly. So that when we learn all these informations about Wanda Petronsky, then we could easily understand that Wanda Petronsky, she is a Polish girl, and she naturally and she was that poor girl, and she was coming from Bugenshaid, that city from where she used to come, and that she was studying in the room, that was the number of the room was 13, room number 13, and she used to sit at the last bench at the corner of the room, generally where all the generally the boys who were who used to sit over there, and they were not good in study, and nor they were attentive, and they used to make noise in the class. But Wanda was not like that, but she used to sit over there. Then that this Wanda Petronsky was actually a source of fun towards her classmates, especially Piggy and Mary. That Piggy was a pretty girl, and she was having curly hair, and she had lots of dresses, bright dresses, and she was very good in study, so she was very much famous in the school. And Mary was her closest friend, and that it was just Piggy who has started that fun, teasing game, that Wanda, how many dresses you are having? Then Wanda used to say silently that 100 dresses, and then she used to keep her thin lips in a in a line, and that means she remains silent. that the story, it was started with Monday, that the day Monday, and that on that day, that Piggy and Maddie, they found that they noticed that Wanda was absent. Actually, they were not bothered or worried about Wanda, and they were not friend of Wanda, but they used to wait for Wanda before coming to school, and after the means after the get over of the school, that when the school was over, after that the students, they used to wait for Wanda only to have fun. There only only one thing, two things were there, that Wanda was a silent girl. Wanda was having a funny name, where that in that Wanda's classes, all the students, they were having the names like Smith, like like very easy names, Willie, but that Wanda Petronaski, she was having the name that is Wanda Petronaski. So it was a very funny name, and the students and the girls, the boys, they did not have any tolerance of variety, and so that's why they used to mock on Wanda. And that during that tiffin time, after the get over of the school, when that when that the students that left the school, that time, that all the girls of Wanda's class, they used to gather around Wanda, and they used to have fun with Wanda. Actually, there that the girls, that especially Piggy, actually they did not want to hurt Wanda, but actually that thoughtlessly they have started that teasing game, and that Wanda, that she was a very silent girl, she was a very poor girl, she was wearing only one dresses. Then also, why she was telling that she had 100 dresses, and all were lined up in her closet, means wardrobe. So it was their curiosity, and it was their point of interest. They also, that Peggy also used to ask how many shoes. Then Wanda used to say 60 pairs, and that all were different. Then some, that how many dresses, 100 dresses. Then all are silk. Then means this is just to have fun, this is to tease Wanda, that like that the girl who is wearing only one dress, and that is also not fit properly, and that is not ironed properly, so how that girl can have 100 dresses? And that's why they used to ask again and again whenever they got Wanda, and before coming to school also they used to wait for Wanda to ask her. And that Monday they did not they did not find Wanda in her seat, and Tuesday also they did not find Wanda, and Wednesday also Maddie and Piggy and Maddie, they were late because they were waiting for Wanda to have fun, to tease her, but they did not find Wanda. So you can now you can understand that though that the writer is telling that Piggy was not so much cruel, and she was just that purposefully she was not teasing. But when we, the reader, we are studying, we are reading the story, then naturally we are just a kind of sympathy we are feeling in our heart, and that antipathy for Piggy, because she was teasing Wanda. Wanda was a poor girl. So this is the beginning of the story. So dear students, that the 100 dresses Part 1, I will make 3 videos for this, because this is a long story. And today this is my first video where I have introduced you with the characters, that Wanda Petrinsky, police girl, and that other two girls were Piggy and Maddie, and and all other boys and girls in the school. So this is up to here, up to Wednesday, that Piggy and Maddie, they were waiting for Wanda, but actually they were least bothered of Wanda, whether she was coming or not, or what happened to her. No, actually they were just Wanda was just a subject matter. Wanda was a means to them to have fun. So that's why they were waiting for Wanda before coming to school and after the get over of the school. So today up to here, listen this, watch the video. And one more thing, class 10th students, especially that class 10th D students, neither you are sending your attendance nor you are just attentive to your study. And so I will tell you that don't do this, because that one day the school will reopen, then you will have your exam, and now you are having nothing but to study. So please that for your sake, that you just start studying. And most of the students that they have not just watched the videos on poems. So take care of you. Thank you for watching the video, and ask me where you are facing problem. Thank you once again. Have a good time. Stay at home. Stay safe.